Tuto na eh.
Hi guys, good evening once again. Of course, welcome to Boardwalk Barbecue Station. Yeah guys. So, alright, so once again, I would like to thank Mom Nins in the video here at Boardwalk. And of course, yes, my family, my wife, of course, and my cousin too. Oh, bibigis ko. Thank you! Salamat kayo ninyo ng Ellen na tanan, classmate, mga silingan, mga kailan, mga sustagan kayo. Thank you so much for support. And of course, the Boardwalk Barbecue Station. Thank you. And of course, we got here our guest here. Good evening, Mom, sir. Where are you from, Mom? Ma'am, where are you from? In Pasig? Cologne? Hello, sir. Welcome to the Philippines. Hello, everybody. Yeah, welcome to Boardwalk Barbecue Station. And of course, once again, magpasalamat ko sa tanan nga nasuporta mga akong maayo until now. And so, first, mga story in the US, and of course to my manager there in the side, nagabitay. And thank you Mang Ning sa trampoline, induta ay gwapo na sobrang gwapo man. Then, of course, Bus Agong, Daiset, and of course, Inda, ni Tapon, di ba, nakatapon. Ang luto, bukang iro. And sa ako ang mga barkada, dagad kayo. Sa social media is very, very trend. And every time I do my concert there in every state in the US, I got a comment a lot. And it's very sad to say that, there are so many buzzers here. But I would like to thank that. Pasalamat Japon ko in spite of what I'm now. Yeah, salamat Japon. Kay why laing kabuot ani ginuuray kabuot ani tanan. And you know, parayon lang ko. And then of course to my bandmates. Kalmar kayo sila tanan. Mga ginay-kuyog-kuyog po na ako sa una. And of course, sa amuang nagda o pasiugda sa una pa. Mr. Russell Lozano. On the house. Aliw. And sa mga kilid-kilid, para dito. Thank you so much. And kaniya, kung adlaw rin, parang kaliyutra. Igor na taong kung nihalok sa akong asawa. Asa po akong asawa? Wala lagi. Huy! Asta pa mo! Ang asawa. Igor na taong kung niyomong. Ani, mano siya! And, you know, kabalo mo siguro mo sa Facebook page. Wala na bandi. Bunot, thank you so much for following. Now, mga classmates, sus, ginungo ko mga taga-bunlan. Hindi na sila magpalupig sa tapon. Sa Facebook page, thank you so much for following, comment every time I'm gonna show there. And this coming, so larga na sa daan nung bitag Canada po. So babalikon magasuban kay ganahan mas akong pagkagwapo. Alright guys, this time I'm gonna sing a song, and of course my original song coming from Vinny Soprano. Yeah. And it's called I Love You So. And of course, ato ang okay. Sige din ang later. Imagine no denying. There is so much pain each and every morning. Don't you see me? Won't you hear me? The way it used to stay, the way it used to be. Now it's had some time ago that I've been trying to let you know. Baby, now see that it ain't really so. 'Cause there's really nothing else that I'm truly wishing for. But to have you home, that I've been missing for. So give me an overview. Oh, baby, please come back to me. No matter what I tell myself, my lies can set me free. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm never tired of walking the road. That I just need to let you know. That I don't really need to show how much I want to love you so. Some time ago